Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly do your KYC on the Omega network and also create your wallet. So these are the two things that you need to do, very important. Immediately you create your account on Omega, you should create your wallet and then do your KYC so that you'll be able to claim your coins and withdraw your coins once the token has been listed. So what you need to do is, once you are logged in, this is the interface you see. You can see that the first listing is going to be on 16th, which is tomorrow, I guess, or next. So once you are logged in, you come here, you click on wallet. When you click on wallet, it's going to bring this information. So this is your Omega wallet, you can see. So you click on Omega wallet here, you select smart chain, then I already have my own wallet, which is why it's asking me for a password, so I'm going to skip this. See, this is my wallet already created. So if you haven't created your own wallet, what you need to do is, once you click on smart chain, it's going to show you a series of code. So that's your let me say your description words that you have to copy and keep it somewhere private, or you can screenshot it and keep it. Make sure you don't lose it, because once you lose it, you can't claim your cryptos again or your Omega coin. So once you copy those codes, you're going to click on create wallet. Then it's going to ask you to input those codes again in series according to how it displayed for you earlier. So you're going to do that, and then it's going to create this wallet. Once you are done with that, the next thing you should do is, then you come to user verification, you click on this place, and I haven't verified mine yet, so this is the information. You just need your full name, country, and your personal photo. So you do that, and once you are verified, you just hold on for your next listing. So I'm going to do mine now and see. So for my country, Nigeria, so okay, I'm going to take a photo here. So I'm going to stop this video here. I think you already got a hang of what you have to do. So once you take a photo, your account is going to be verified, and then you just need to wait for the listing. So if you have any other questions or you need help, you can send me a message. My WhatsApp number or link to my WhatsApp is in the video description, and you can also join my group. The link to join the group is also there, so you can join us, and then you can ask me for guidance, and I will be always available to assist you.